The components include swab, extraction tube, test card, and instructions for use. Tear off the swab's packing from the stick end and take it out. Take the swab and rub it back and forth along the upper gums 4 times. Then, using the opposite side of the swab, rub back and forth along the lower gums 4 times. Tear off the sealing film of the extraction solution tube. Insert the swab into the extraction solution tube and rotate the swab 10 times to dissolve the specimen in the solution. Squeeze the swab over the swab tip, break it along the break point, and keep it in the test tube. Put the cap on the bottle. Shake the tube well. Tear off the test card from the foil pouch and place it on a clean, dry surface. Add 2 drops of the extracted specimen to each S-hole on the test card. Please read the test results at 15 minutes. After 30 minutes, the result will no longer be valid.